So I've just got home, and look what we have here, delivered by United Parcel Service. This is a Ryobi 40-volt cordless mower with a grass bag. It comes with 2 batteries, 40 volt, and a charger. The charge time is 90 minutes. They're supposed to come half charged. Let's open it up. They say the assembly is easy. Not too thrilled with this packaging. Looks like it got beat up a little in transit. Thanks, UPS. You always want to keep your packaging nice in case you have a return. Most places have a return policy that packaging is required. I see they packed the charger, it looks like, and 2 batteries in the grass bag. Now I've read on consumer reports that you have to check your bag for tears. Sometimes it gets dinged up in transit. Judging by this box, I can see how. Looks good. Here's the charger. It's green, like my lawn. Interesting that they chose to go with this style of a removable cord for the charger. Not sure how I feel about that. All my other Ryobi tools that I don't use anymore because I have pro grade are the cord doesn't detach like this. It's quite a battery. Now I've read there's minimal assembly required and that it's very intuitive, and that inside of 5 minutes you can have this assembled without even looking at the directions. Let's see if that's true. How about that? Not very heavy. You can hang this on the wall. I don't want to break it. We'll come back to that.